Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on to question 4.1.3 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 2, and this question deals with speed, time, and distance calculating. They've stated here that a honeybee flies at an average speed of 24 kilometers per hour. Its wings beat 200 times per second, causing their famous distinctive buzz. Show by means of calculations that a bee's wings would beat 300,000 times if it flew 10 kilometers. So first of all, we need to, so this is for 4.1.3, we need to find out how long it will take the bee to fly 10 kilometers. So we know that it's 24 kilometers per hour, so that means it can go 24 kilometers equals 60 minutes, because we know there's 60 minutes in an hour. So 24 kilometers equals 60 minutes. So now we need to find out how far the bee goes in 1 kilometer. So we divide both sides by 24, because dividing both sides by the same number keeps the equivalency of the equation. So then we know that 1 kilometer, the bee goes 60 over 24, which in your calculators 2.5 minutes. So this means that the bee takes 2.5 minutes to fly 1 kilometer. So now we need to find out how long it will take the bee to fly 10 kilometers. So therefore, to go 10 kilometers, we know that we multiply both sides by 10. So it'll be 10 times the 1 kilometer equals 10 times the 2.5 minutes. Remember, we can multiply both sides by the same number. That still keeps the equivalency. So that means that 10 kilometers takes 25 minutes. So 10 times 2.5 in your calculators comes to 25 minutes. So now we know that it's going to take the bee 25 minutes to go this 10 kilometers. And they say that it beats 200 times per second. So let's convert this 25 minutes to seconds. So 25 minutes to seconds. So this is and remember there are 60 seconds in a minute. So you take 25 minutes and you multiply by 60, which comes to 1,500 seconds. So let's recap. To fly 10 kilometers, it's going to take the bee 1,500 seconds. And we know that the bee its wings beat 200 times per second. So therefore, to get our final answer, we know that the number of beats will be this 1,500 seconds times by 200, which comes to exactly 300,000 times. And that's what we need to show for this question. That is the final answer. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thank you to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And remember, if you can't find the answer to the questions you have, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.